Oh, he's taking a run. Oh, big fish. Big fish. Episode 3. Let's do it. All right, guys, so we gotta put some gas in a good old 3.3 horsepower Johnny boat. Thank God. Shout out my boy Nufo for getting it back running, guys. I've had this boat for about I'd say going on 4 months, give or take now. But my motor wasn't running on it, so Nufo, my buddy over there at Nufo Fishing, got it running for me, and it's been going good ever since. So shout out to that guy. Oh wow, so it only takes $1.46 to fill this thing up. I'll take it, especially in today's economy. The rest in the trip. Guys, as you can tell, we're dealing with a little bit of rain here, but rain has never scared me. If anything, the fish are biting harder, so they say. But we made it to the launch, a little dirt road launch, and we're gonna head upstream and see if we can smack the cats or whatever chooses to bite. It's raining out, but guys, so we made it. We're below the dam. I think we got a pretty solid spot. We're anchored down. I think we're not moving any closer to it. I hope not. Let's get all set up. Let's get our lines out and see if we can get some fish on. All right, guys, got a drop shot out for our first rig. Not the drop shot. Let's see if we get hit. We're right here below the dam inside the eddy. I didn't even know I had a fish on this line. It's definitely got a fish on here. I don't know what it is. And that's the beautiful thing about fishing a river, is you just don't know what you'll pull up. Let's see what we got. Cat. Good old catfish. Try not to get stabbed. He is definitely going crazy, and let me tell you, he does not want to be where he is right now, and he is definitely trying to spine me. So I don't think we'll keep him. He's a little too small, but we'll send him back. Yep, fish on. Oh yeah, nice one. He stays on, running right at me. Let's see what we got here. Small drum, and of course he did not choke it. Okay. Yes sir, one in the box. Let's go. People getting hit again. Yep, we're on again, back to back. Feels like a better one. What do we got here? A cat. Little channel. Nothing too big, but man, I'll tell you, that drop shot is doing its thing today. That was back to back. Now be very careful when you guys grab these catfish. This will stab you, this will stab you, and this will stab you. So take them, for the smaller ones, you just grab them by the belly and hold it just as you see it. So that way you guys don't mess yourself up. And my hook. It's good. Perfect catfish. Going in the box. Yes sir. Fish on, brother. I believe we are on. I can't tell. This is a medium rod. Yep, we're on. couldn't tell. What have we got on? This drop shot is killing it. Another drum. That drop shot's making a killing though, I'll tell you. Now we're gonna work on a jig and a crawler, see how that works, see if we can get after some walleye. Real pop, give it a nice pause, let that line go slack. Another one. Oh, almost had one. Missed him. See if he comes back for it. Something, I don't know what it is. Jigging a crawler. Hopefully it's a walleye. We'll see. This will be my first walleye I've ever caught by myself. Yes, sir. Not a keeper, but that's a walleye. First walleye by myself ever. Look at the teeth on that thing. Look at the teeth on that thing. Beautiful fish. Ooh. And he's back in the water. Didn't even get the measure on him, but jigging the crawler. There we go, guys. Alright guys, we're gonna head out to the next spot. This is a nice little section. Got my first walleye by myself. Gonna head up just a little bit where it's a little more calmer. We made it to our new location, so let's get lines out. We got our drop shot line ready. Wait for that one to get hit. See what she does. Oh, are we getting hit already? No way. There's no way. Either way, we just got here, so we're gonna get lines out and see if we can get rocking and rolling. See if anything wants this. How about we cast? We'll cast upstream. And now we'll just wait for that line to get hit and rig up some of our other ones. So, beautiful spot. Got a nice little baseball stadium right here, and town is right here. My city is right behind this tree line. So, see if we can get us some giants on. Everybody who tunes into my videos, I do appreciate you guys. You guys could go ahead and subscribe if you're not already. Leave a like and leave a comment. Much appreciated. Thank you to everybody who tuned in. I think right now I have 70 subscribers during the making of this video. Hopefully we can hit the small goal of 100 here soon. We'll find out. Let's get 3 lines set out and see what we can catch. Seen a fish jump underneath that tree right there. I don't know how deep that hole is though. There's another one. I don't know what that is. I got the bait suspended on the drop shot, so if they'll want it, they'll take it. Oh my God, big fish. With a little drum. Ah, okay size, I guess. And he didn't get the worm. I love it. Oh, you were barely hooked, dude. Drum for dinner, baby. Amazing. Amazing. We'll take it. I really want some cat, but you know, drum tastes good too. Good old white meat. I hear it's tough, so. Let's get closer to that shore line, kind of where the current, I guess, breaks off, if you will. Good fish, so I'll take them. And we can get right back cast it out with this one on the drop shot. They've been tearing the drop shot up all day. All day, baby. Just gonna let it take, let it take, let it take, let it take. I think we're on, guys. Oh yeah, he's running right at me. I don't want to come up. Oh, he's taking a run. Oh, big fish. Big fish. Oh yeah, big cat. He does not want to come up. Do not go underneath the boat, buddy. Oh, biggest fish of the day. That is a big channel, guys. Chunky. Chunky. I hope this is able to get everything. By far, my PB channel of this year. I'm gonna get a weight on them. I do not want to get hit with these fucking things, bro. I'll tell you that right now. By far, the biggest cat of this year for me. 584 unit of a channel. I know not everybody likes channels, but I'll take it. Biggest fish of the day out here on the river. Look at that tummy. He's been eating, man. So 584. Show that up to the camera. Get a measurement on him. Set this big boy free, man. Beautiful fish. Let's get a measurement on this puppy. He is not happy by any means right now, guys. I'll tell you that. Alright, 2 feet, 2 inches. 26 inches, 2 feet, 2 inches. See if I can get the camera down here. Just a beautiful fish. Great day on the lake, or not on the lake. We're on the river. Amazing. All right, buddy, we're gonna get you let go. I caught him on just this wee little hook right here, guys. This size 4 hook. Unbelievable. Let's get the hook out of his mouth. Get this guy let go. Too big for me to eat. We'll let him grow, man. Let him go, let him grow. Smaller ones are better for eating anyway, so. All right, guys, with that fish being caught, I think we're gonna end off the day. What a beautiful way to end off the day. 5.74, 5.84 doesn't make a difference to me. I don't know. If you have this scale, you know it's probably not the best, but hell, 5.74 is what it said on the scale. That's a PB channel for me. I know not everybody favors channels, but hell, a fish is a fish to me. But if you guys enjoy my channel, no pun intended, if you guys enjoy my channel, be sure to leave a like, go ahead and subscribe, leave a comment, let me know what you guys want to see, let me know what you think of the video. Am I doing something wrong? Am I doing something right? Other than that, everybody stay blessed, and I'll see you on the next one.